my previous video, I opened up my pillar to check my dash cam wire was making a rattling noise. After doing that whole thing, it still rattles. So after doing some research on forums, I found out it's actually the windshield washer reservoir. And on top here, this comes down to this huge tank in the wheel well. And if you listen closely, that can be heard through the cabin, and it's so annoying. So the only thing that prevents that noise is 2 foam pads. Now one is missing. It's usually up that top grommet. This one seems like it's about to go eventually. So what I did is I got this nail polish foam pad from my mom, and I put some double-sided tape, and I'm gonna wedge this right in between both sides, and that should fix it. Alright, all finished. I wedged one right down here, wedged one right up here, put the top bolt back in. I repositioned it toward this way. You can see my thumb, that direction, outward, so that it's further away from the frame, and there'll be less chance of it rubbing up. I might need to double check if this lines up. If it doesn't, then I'll have to readjust this. And lastly, put one more in just for good measure. Let's see if I can wedge it somewhere. Nowhere. There we go. All right, and then no vibrations. I'll double check once I drive around, see if it vibrates, but that's about it.